Hi, so today we are going to find three major blocks in your career that are there right now, and we'll also ask Divine to give us some guidance so that we can walk past these blockages with ease. Okay, so friends, the first art is Yin. So here the divine is saying that you need to focus on gathering information, knowledge and guidance from other people. It is the time to connect with others, to listen to others, to gain from the experience of others. So it's a time to keep your ego aside and to find some mentors, to find people from whom you can gain knowledge. So this is where it is going to help you, and you have to stop just listening only to yourself. So this is a blockage some of you might be facing right now. You're just not open or ready to look out to others to help you. So this is the thing that you need to change. Another is deep knowing. So friends, some of you are just working over the top. You're not going into the details. You are just running your mind, and you are not going in depth. So here the divine is saying that you need to do deep dive. You need to listen to your inner guidance. You need to listen to what your soul says. You need to listen to what your experience says. Don't just listen to your frivolous mind and take action. So yes friends, one, for some people you need to take assistance from others. Some people you also need to do some deep work. Don't just take half-hearted actions and half-hearted knowledge. Don't work on that. The next blockage is buy the book. So this could have two meanings. Firstly, if some of you are just doing whatever they want, so this could be a warning that please follow the process that has been defined by your manager or your company. And the other could be that there is so much of process that you are not able to bring out your true talent. So this is the time you need to speak about bringing that change in the process or the way things are. So you need to figure out that in which bracket you belong, right? So the guidance for you is, friends, first is orphaned. Here the divine is saying that you please disconnect from the chaos and the noise and the people who are draining you out. Listen to yourself, listen to the higher power, listen to divine, listen to the universal guide, and then you will know that there is a lot of abundance around you, there is a lot of guidance around you. You would also learn that it is not always negativity around you. If you don't have two things, then there are very good other things that divine has provided you. Okay friends, I asked the divine that how long will it take for you guys to reach your goal. So what a positive card. The divine says you're very close to achieve your goals. So please, those of you who are planning to give up, this is not the right time. Go ahead, and your goals and your dreams are going to be true. Bye bye.